Okay, I'm trying to record a video regarding my demo of the visualization for Luxembourg income study, where we can take any of their data and throw it up on the screen, and we actually can do interesting descriptives about inequality across Europe and the United States. So on the x-axis, we have the market Gini index, or how unequal things are because of market payoffs. And then we have the governmental post-tax and transfer Gini index. So how unequal things are after the government acts on the economy. And so if the government doesn't really do anything one way or the other, everything will wind up on what I call the policy neutral line, or the 45-degree line from the origin to the point 1, where 1 is the most unequal it could be, and 0 is the least unequal it could be, and the government has made no effort. Everything in each of these 15 high-income countries lies below this line. So they all do some amount of progressive taxation. Taiwan, which has a modest degree of inequality, does the least progressive taxation, and so it's very close to that line. I think what will come to surprise many is that the United States, which is still below that line, however unequal it is, tax policy and governmental policy remains somewhat progressive. But it is not, its inequality is not a function of what might be called a dynamic economy, which has very unequal payoffs. In fact, if we graph Sweden, we can see Sweden has very much the same level of market inequality. It's really the tax system that is the primary driver. What is interesting about the visualization is that we can look with more detail if we want to. We'll remove the policy neutral line, and we can zoom in. And we can see this area in detail. We put back the policy neutral line, so we can see that we're still below it and where that line sits. And then we can compare the US to Sweden on a much finer scale. When we're done, we can get rid of the policy neutral line, zoom back out, and again see this on the full 0 to 1 scale. Thanks.